Hello friends, my name is Sanket Bagade. Today I will discuss about drug discovery process. First of all, what is meant by drug? Drug is any substance which can used to improve our health, that is diagnosis, mitigation, prevention and treatment. It is called as drug. Drug discovery process is include four stages. Include First is drug discovery, preclinical trial, clinical trial, and regulatory approval. First stage is drug discovery. Drug discovery is to duration for 2 to 5 years. Next is to preclinical trial is duration for 1 to 3 years. Next is clinical trial. It is duration for 5 to 7 years. Next is regulatory approval. It is duration for 2 to 5 years. First is drug discovery. Drug discovery, it is included to the four stages. First is target identification, target validation, lead identification, and lead optimization. First is target identification. Target identification, it is to discover a effective medicine, to select a proper target and lead. It is during to firstly we have selected or identified the disease and problem which out to the find out to the drug. In this process, it can be only by organ, gene, tissue, and protein, etc. It can be receptor involves onto its involved receptor and ion channel, etc. Next is target validation. Now, in this step, choosing the target and analyze the valid that above information is correct or not. In this listed that causes the affect the drug. In this target validation, it is to the drug ability, means it is a target actually bind to the drug. Next is lead identification. Lead identification, it is to the lead compound. Lead compound, it is a chemical compound or natural product that has pharmacological or biological product that is therapeutically. Lead compound shows a lead compound. It is to shows a developed treatment or effective treatment for a new drug. It can be synthesized in a laboratory or to drug. Approximately 5,000 to 10,000 compounds should be chosen. Next is lead optimization. Lead optimization means modified after the successfully compounds now optimize it to the synthesize the drug. Next is a functional group modification. SAR, structure related activity relationship. Approximately 250 compounds are to the selected for to the lead identification, and these 250 compounds are to the clinical to the conducted to the next to the clinical trial. Next is IND application. Promising lead to the IND application. Filing the application of investigation new drug to FDA to conduct a clinical trial. Next is clinical trial. Clinical trial. What is meant by clinical trial? It is an systematic investigation of human subject for evaluating safety and efficacy for a new drug. It is called as clinical trial. Clinical trial, it is divided into the 5 phases. First is phase 0, phase 1, phase 2, phase 3, phase 4. First is phase 0. Phase 0, it is called as microphase and pilot phase. It also includes 10 to 50 healthy volunteers to understand the drug response into the body. Administration to the therapeutic dose. Next is phase 1. Phase 1, it includes to the 10 to 15 healthy volunteers. It is to a safety evaluation. It is also the study of pharmacokinetic study, pharmacodynamic study, and side effects. Next is phase 2. Phase 2, it is include 100 to 300 patient. It is to the efficacy evaluation. It is to assessment of dosing requirements and long-term toxicity. Next is phase 3. Phase 3, it also include 1,000 plus patients. It is also efficacy and safety evaluation, comparative study on standard. Next is phase 4. It is to a pharmacovigilance phase and post-marketing surveillance. What is meant by post-marketing surveillance? It is an identification and collection of information of drug with approval to use in a population. Next is ADR reporting. It is all about to a clinical trial. Next is to a approval for NDA application. Promising lead need to the NDA application. Filling the application of NDA to submit the FDA to a marketing a new drug. It is the all process of the drug discovery process. Thank you.